On a bright, breezy afternoon, Scout the puppy discovered a colorful kite fluttering in the park, its tail dancing with the wind. With innocent curiosity, he bounded over, barking at the strange creature in the sky. It twirled and dipped, and Scout's eyes widened with wonder as he imagined it was a new playmate inviting him to chase. He leapt and twirled, his paws paddling the air, convinced he could join the kite in its high-flying adventure. But no matter how high he jumped, the kite remained just out of reach, teasing him from above. Finally, tuckered out, Scout flopped onto the grass, watching the kite swish and swoop with a happy wag of his tail. As a gentle breeze ruffled his fur, he realized that some adventures were best enjoyed from the ground, where four paws could firmly plant themselves. With a satisfied sigh, he rolled onto his back, appreciating the simple joy of a sunny day and